All right, here we go. This free tutorial is going to teach you a really cool way, and this is going to pay you an average of $2,000 to $7,000 a month. For real. This is really easy. Pretty much anyone can do it, and it's a great way for you to make some great money from home. And no, this is not pitching you on some course that you're going to have to buy. You're going to learn everything you need to know right here, right now. It's only going to take a couple of minutes. Really, this could be a great income stream for you if you just follow through. So shut up and watch this entire video, you idiot, you. All right, now having said that, let's go. Check this out. All right, check this out. We are on JustAnswer.com, and this is where you are going to get paid this kind of money. And all you're going to be doing is answering questions. This really is a slam dunk, guys. Great thing is you can do this on your own time, make your own hours. This is totally legit. Let me scroll down here and show you this. It's been Google rated at 4.8 stars, 4.8 out of 5. Trustpilot 4.6 stars, and the Better Business Bureau gives it an A+. So this is not one of those fly-by-night type survey type sites. This is real. So this is where people come to get answers from real experts and get guidance on what they need. So I'm not going to waste a lot of your time. You're going to come here and check this out. Now scroll to the bottom, and all you need to do is come here and click on this where it says Become an Expert. Apply to become an expert. Now it's really not that complicated of a situation, right? Now if we look over here, you can see all of the different categories that people are expert in. Now if I click on more, let me show you this. This is gonna freak you out because it freaked me out. Come up here to where it says more, and look at all of these different categories. Dream interpretation, general topics, entertainment, etiquette, firearms, genealogy. I mean, there are a bunch of different topics and different categories that you can be an expert in. Now, I know some of you guys are going to say, well, I'm not an expert in any of this stuff. What do I do, KingHuman? Tell me what to do. You're sitting in front of a computer with a search engine, you idiot. You've got the world of knowledge at your command. All you have to do is go and learn something. All you have to do is become conversant in something. And you've got this. This is a slam dunk. Everybody's an expert at something. If you're not, you can quickly become an expert at something. Look, I was a stupid truck driver, right? I went through the school system. Okay, here comes my lecture. Get ready for this, because this is going to be part lecture and part me yelling at you. And I'm going to yell at you for something that's not even your fault, really. Okay, here's the situation. We all went through the school system. The school system is a scam. It's a programming factory that programs us to be nothing more than a source of cheap labor for the plutocrats and the corporations of the world. For real, you went to school. Think about, what did school teach you? Mostly it was a programming factory. It taught you how to show up on time, how to be a good little worker bee. Show up on time. We will give you tasks. We will hand you this book. You will need to know what is in this book and regurgitate it on command. And we will grade you on your ability to do that. So what is that about? That comes from a time when we first came to the United States. I'm gonna try and make this shorter than, because I'll go on this for hours. But when we first came to the United States, we were all self-empowered. We were farmers or ranchers or both. We were living in an agrarian society. So we raised cattle or livestock, and we raised crops. And that was enough to make us self-sufficient, because what we did was we traded those cattle or crops, or sold those cattle or crops for other things that we did not need, right? Or for other things that we did need, right? We had enough to live on, but when we wanted something else that we couldn't grow, like fabric or lumber or whatever, we would trade our excess products that we produced ourselves. We were basically manufacturers, and that got us where we wanted to go. We were barter. We were in a barter system. But then the Industrial Revolution came along, and they needed a source of cheap labor. They suddenly needed tons of laborers that were smart enough to be able to read instructions and follow instructions, and that would show up on time, and that would have, a sense of dedication and duty. So they came up with schools, and schools programmed us out of our self-empowerment and programmed us to show up on time at a job, be able to read instructions, follow instructions, and work on the assembly lines. So you've been programmed for failure. You've been programmed out of independence. And that really annoys me. So this is why I'm yelling at you. You have to get out of that mindset. So things like this website that allow you to get back into self-empowerment and call your own shots, these are the things, these are the little steps that you need to start taking so that you can regain your sense of your ability to generate your own income and not rely on a job, right? From some stupid plutocrat who decides how much you are worth. You get to decide how much you're worth when you do things like this. So anyway, enough of my lecture. I hope I doubt anybody's still watching this video at this point, but it was important for you to understand. You've been programmed for failure. So you've got to start taking steps to self-empowerment and regain that ability that has been programmed out of you from day one by schools. So anyway, again, this is JustAnswer.com. Come to the bottom, click on Become an Expert, and go through the process. Very simple, very easy. And then you can possibly start making between $2,000 and $7,000 a month just answering questions as an expert. All right? This is one tiny little part of the self-empowerment equation. If you want to really take things to the next level, you'll go to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and I will train you on how I went from being a stupid truck driver. I was just another battery in the matrix, just another idiot that was programmed for failure, to being a millionaire. No lie, I will teach you what I have done, how I did it, and I will give you a bunch of done-for-you products that you can sell for yourself as your own, and I will put you in business. And I'm having a 7-day free trial right now. So again, thekinghumanelite.com. Okay, that's my pitch. Don't do it. Don't do it. I don't give 1/5 of half-eaten shit what you do. You're your own person, right? I'm trying to help you here. So many of you people, I just can't help you because you don't. All the initiative has been stolen from you. You have no drive. You have no ambition. Wake up. All right, enough of me. Go and be well, be happy, maximum respect, all the best. Cheers, bayonara. Go away, you're annoying.